Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to make a duplicate copy of Primavera P6 program. First, click on Enterprises, go to Project, select any project. I'm selecting this project here. Then right click, press copy. You can select any of the project. I'm just going for a duplicate copy on the same project. Then press paste. Further press OK. Then further press OK and another time press OK. You will see here 1.1 our duplicate project. If you want, you can change the name of that project. I'm going to change the name of the project here. Duplicate project. Now let's open this project, this duplicate project. I'm going to open, see duplicate project here. So hope you like this video. Thank you very much for your time.